Now let us discuss marginal relief. Sometimes what happens, little bit increase in income will cause more increase in tax liability. In those cases, income tax department will give relief in the form of marginal relief. For example, I will give you one problem. Please do. SSC name is Santosh. His total income is 51 lakhs. He is paying taxes under default tax rates. Calculate the tax liability. Help me, up to 3 lakhs tax amount is nil, correct? Greater than 3 lakhs up to 7 lakh tax rate is 5%, tax amount is 20,000. Greater than 7 lakh up to 10 lakh tax rate is 10%, tax amount is 30,000. Greater than 10 lakh up to 12 lakh tax rate is 15%, tax amount is greater than 12 lakh up to 15 lakh tax rate is 20%, tax amount is greater than 15 lakh tax rate is 30%. 10 lakh 80,000. So how much is tax? 12 lakh 20,000. Whether surcharge is applicable? Here total income is more than 50 lakhs, right? So surcharge is applicable. To this we will add surcharge at the rate of 5%. 10%. Claps. Surcharge at the rate of 10%. 1,22,000. How much is tax plus surcharge? 13,42,000. Yeah, don't calculate HCC out of anxiety. Okay, out of sugar. Tax plus surcharge is 13,42,000, right? Now let us casually let us calculate tax on 50 lakhs. Same SSC, same default tax rates. Let us calculate tax on 50 lakhs. Up to 3 lakhs tax amount is 3 to 7 lakhs. If you don't get updated, you will become outdated. Greater than 10 lakh up to 12 lakh, how much is tax rate? 15%. Tax amount is 30,000. Greater than 12 lakh up to 15 lakh, tax rate is 20%. Tax amount is greater than 15 lakh, tax rate is 30%. How much? 50 lakh minus 15 lakh into 30%. So how much is tax? 11 lakh? 90,000. Whether surcharge is applicable? No. How much is tax plus surcharge? 11 lakh 90,000. Let us compare. If total income is up to 50 lakhs, tax is 11 lakh 90,000. If total income is 51 lakh, tax is 13 lakh 42,000. That means increase in income is 1 lakh. How much is increase in tax? 1 lakh 52,000. Now SSC will tell, sir, my income increased by 1 lakh. You are asking me to pay 1 lakh 52,000 tax. I will close my eyes. Let us assume I earned only 50 lakhs. Whatever the extra 1 lakh that I earned, I will give it back to you. Then income tax department said, okay. Are you able to understand? So like sometimes what happens, increase in tax is more than increasing income. In those cases, whatever the extra income that you have earned, if you give that extra income to income tax department, means that itself will be sufficient. You need not pay extra tax. Is it clear? And that marginal relief is allowed through 4 steps. What is step 1? Tax on total income. That means tax on Tax on total income including surcharge. So how much is tax on 51 lakh including surcharge? 13 lakh 42,000. Step 2, tax on 50 lakhs. Tax on nearest surcharge limit. For 51 lakhs, what is the nearest surcharge limit? Tax on 50 lakhs plus additional income over and above 50 lakhs. Additional income over and above 50 lakhs. How much is tax on 50 lakhs? 92. Okay, 11 lakh 90,000 plus additional income is 1 lakh. So step 2 is 12 lakh 90,000. Step 3 is marginal relief is equal to step 1 minus step 2. How much is step 1? 13 lakh 42,000. Step 2, 12 lakh 90,000. Marginal relief is 52,000. Step 4, tax liability is equal to step 1 minus step 3 plus HEC at the rate of 4%. How much is step 1? How much is step 3? 1342 minus 52, 12 lakh 90, right? 12 lakh 90,000 plus 4%. How much? 13 lakh. See, what is the extra income on 1 lakh, right? Tax on 50 lakhs is 11 lakh 90,000. To 11 lakh 90,000, if you add 1 lakh, 12 lakh 90,000 plus HEC. That means whatever the extra income that is earned, that is given back to income tax department along with HEC. He need not pay increase in tax. This marginal relief benefit is available for all categories of persons. Is it clear? Now shall I give second one? Will you do? Yes, sir. Everybody? Yes, sir. Total income of individual is 3 crore, not 3 crore, 2 crore 1 lakh 27,500. He is paying taxes under optional tax rates. He is resident individual, aged 65 years. I wanted final tax liability. Please tell quickly. Now, how much is the answer that you got? 17 lakh, 70 lakh, 81 360. Second answer? 77,600. Any alternative answer? Shall I do? Everybody. What is step 1? Tax on total income including surcharge, correct? So tax on 2 crore 1 lakh 27,500. He is 65 years old, right? Basic exemption limit available is 3 lakhs. Up to 3 lakhs tax amount is nil. Greater than 3 lakh up to 5 lakh tax amount is 10,000. Greater than 5 lakh up to 10 lakh tax amount is 1 lakh. Above 10 lakh tax rate applicable is 30%. You have to help me. 2 crore 12 like 1 lakh 27,500 minus 10 lakhs into 30%. How much is tax? 48,000. 58 lakh 48,250. Whether surcharge is applicable? What is the rate of surcharge? 25% because total income is greater than 2 crores. Surcharge at the rate of 25%. How much? 16? So tax plus surcharge? 73 lakh 10,000. Good. Step 2. Tax on nearest surcharge limit including surcharge. Including surcharge plus additional income over and above surcharge limit. That means additional income over and above 2 crores, right? Am I correct? So nearest surcharge limit is 2 crores. Tax on 2 crores. How much? Up to 3 lakhs tax amount is nil. Greater than 3 lakhs up to 5 lakh tax amount is 5%. Tax amount is tax rate is 20%. Tax amount is 1 lakh. So 1 crore 90 lakhs into 30%. 58 lakh. Whether surcharge is applicable? If total income is up to 2 crores, surcharge is 15%. Add surcharge at the rate of 15%. How much? 51. How much is tax plus surcharge? Tax on 2 crores, right? How much? To this, we will add additional income over and above 2 crores. How much? How much is total? This is step 2, right? Do you agree with me? Step 3, marginal relief is equal to step 1 minus step 2. How much is step 1? 73 lakh 10,330 minus 68 lakh 9,000. So how much is marginal relief? 5,13,000. Let us compare. If total income is 2 crore 1 lakh 27,500, how much tax he needs to pay? 66,81,500. If total income is 2 crores, if total income is 2 crores, he needs to pay 66,81,500. If total income is 2 crore 1 lakh 27,500, 73 lakh 10,330. That means increase in income is 1 lakh 27,500. Increase in tax is 5 lakh 1,000. It's unfair, right? For 1 lakh 27,500 increase in income, you are asking to pay 5 lakh 5 lakh tax, correct? 5 lakh 1,313. So that's why marginal relief is allowed. Step 4, final tax liability. How much is step 1? 73 lakhs 10,313. Okay. Step 3? 5 lakh 1,313. How much is balance? 70 lakh 81,360. So 68 lakh. Step 1. Step 1 minus step 3, right? Three. 68,000. To this we will add HEC at the rate of how much? 2,72,360. How much is final tax liability? 70 lakh. 81,360. Now did you understand how to calculate marginal relief? Now did you understand how to calculate marginal relief? Even in case of company also, if total income is more than 1 crore and up to 10 crore, surcharge rate is 2%. If total income is more than 10 crore, surcharge rate is 5%. Sorry, 7%. Domestic company, total income more than 1 crore and up to 10 crore, surcharge rate 7%. Total income more than 10 crore, surcharge rate 12%. Foreign company, total income more than 1 crore up to 10 crore, surcharge rate 2%. Total income more than 10 crore, surcharge rate 5%. Correct? There, even for company also, marginal relief benefit is available. Is it clear?